Hi, in this lecture we are going to implement insertion sort together. So first let's define the insertion sort function, basically with a one-dimensional array of integers we would like to sort. Then for I index in the range lengths of the nums, okay. Basically we consider every single item in this one-dimensional array of numbers. And we initialize j to be I. This is what we have been discussing in a theoretical section. And we just have to define a while loop. So while the j is greater than 0 and the nums j minus 1 is greater than the nums with the j index, that's why I define the j is not greater and equal than 0, but j is greater than 0 because we consider j minus 1 as well. And of course we don't want to manipulate indices outside the range of the nums one-dimensional array. So we just have to swap. That's why there's going to be lots of shifts, because we swap the nums, the j and the j minus 1 index. Okay, something like this. And of course we have to decrement the j index. So j is equal to the j minus 1. And of course after the sorting procedure we have to return this one-dimensional array. And of course we have to define the swap functions with two indices I and j. The temp is going to be the nums with the index I. The nums I will be the nums j. And the nums j is going to be equal to the temp. This is how we swap two numbers. Okay, we have done it several times. And in the main method, we just have to, if name is equal to the main, we have to define the one-dimensional array, something like 1, 5, 3, 8, 10, 100, and for example 4. And I just have to print out the insertion sort for the numbers. Okay, let's see whether it's working fine. Okay, we just have to print Python I guess insertion.py 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 100. So we have managed to sort the items with the help of insertion sort. Basically this is the main disadvantage for insertion sort, that we have to make lots of swap operations or shift operations as we have called it in the theoretical section, and that's why sometimes selection sort is more favorable, for example in flash memory. Okay. So of course there are some advantages and some disadvantages for all of the sorting algorithms. This is the main disadvantage for insertion sort, that we have to make lots of swap operations. But this is how we implement it. As you can see, it's quite easy. Thanks for watching.